Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to collaborate on Instagram. So first of all, we need to update our Instagram application. So for that, go to Play Store and search here Instagram, and you have to update your Instagram application from here. And now open your Insta application and tap on your profile icon to the bottom right corner. And now tap on this three line icon to the upper right hand corner. Tap on settings, privacy, and from here you have to turn off private account. Tap on switch to public. You must have to make your Instagram profile public, and then tap on this plus icon. And I'm gonna selecting a dummy photo here. Tapping on next, and to collaborate with someone, tap on tag people, and now tap on invite collaborator and search for a user you want to collaborate. Tap on done, tap on done, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.